To automatically turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in SmartThings Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, select connected devices, and then tap SmartThings, select menu, and then tap SmartThings settings icon, scroll down the screen, and then on turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth automatically, tap switch until blue to enable, or tap switch until gray to disable turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth automatically. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are needed to detect new devices. Okay, tap switch until blue to enable, or tap switch until gray to disable. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.